Welcome to the final explainer in our series. We made it! We are officially wrapping up a really fantastic 10-part journey based on generative AI for everyday life, a friendly guide for older adults. This wonderful tutorial comes to us from Virtualization Options LLC. They're a Colorado-based research, education, and advisory organization, and they specifically designed this guide to be completely non-technical, exceptionally friendly, and just perfectly tailored for curious, confident older adults who are ready to explore the future. And well, here we are. You've made it all the way to Chapter 10, which is very appropriately titled, You've Got This. I just want to start off by validating the massive achievement you've unlocked today. Taking on entirely new technology takes real courage, and you are standing right at the finish line of this foundational journey. Let's celebrate that. Okay, let's dive into this. When you picture a relaxed, confident couple sitting together at their laptop, that's exactly where you are now. They're engaging with technology not as something to be feared, but simply as a helpful everyday tool. And that really mirrors your own success today at the finish line. Throughout this entire explainer series, we've broken down what AI actually is. Remember how we learned it's really just a very smart helper that speaks plain English? Kind of like a knowledgeable friend who's read millions of books? Well, you've acquired that knowledge, you've completely taken the mystery out of the machine, and you've empowered yourself to use generative AI in your everyday life. Now, what's really interesting about this is that the number 10 represents a massive milestone you've just reached, and it anchors the first part of our final action plan. I mean, think back to when you first started. 10 chapters ago, generative AI probably sounded like science fiction, right? Now it's just a regular conversation with a helpful digital friend. I really want to validate your effort here. Finishing all 10 chapters is absolutely not a small thing. It is a big, brave step forward. Learning a completely new technological paradigm, especially one that is literally changing the world, takes a lot of cognitive energy, patience, and just a genuine willingness to step outside your comfort zone. You didn't just passively read about it, you engaged with it. You stuck with us as we demystified the terminology. You've proven to yourself that it is never, ever too late to learn something profoundly new and entirely modern. You should be incredibly proud of this step, because it opens up a whole new world of convenience, creativity, and connection for you. Let's move on and see how this builds. Because while you've successfully finished the 10 chapters, the question naturally becomes, well, what do I do tomorrow? The answer is beautifully simple, and it completely avoids any feelings of overwhelm. Just focus on one. The guide advises us to adopt a really simple micro-habit. Try just one new AI question each day. There's absolutely no rush to become a master overnight. By focusing on just one single question a day, you're taking the most manageable, low-pressure next step possible. For example, tomorrow morning, you could simply ask your AI, what is a good low-impact stretching routine I can do right in my living room? Then the next day, maybe you'll ask for a recipe using the leftover ingredients you already have sitting in your fridge. Or, maybe you'll ask it to summarize the history of your favorite vacation spot. Just one question. It literally takes less than a minute. And here is exactly why that single daily question matters so much. In just a week, you'll be absolutely amazed by how natural it feels. This simple, daily micro-practice will quickly build your confidence and keep your newly acquired skills incredibly sharp. It's just like tending to a garden. A tiny bit of daily attention yields wonderful results. Honestly, by day 7, typing a question into an AI is going to feel just as normal and comfortable as turning on your television or making your morning cup of coffee. It completely shifts from being this big new technology to just another handy tool in your daily routine. So the crucial point is, you don't have to do this in a vacuum. As you continue exploring your daily questions, there are 3 specific pillars of support that serve as your ongoing safety net. Because learning doesn't just stop when the chapters end, and sometimes we all want a little extra human guidance or community connection as we build a new habit. Virtualization Options brilliantly points out these 3 specific, completely free support resources to guarantee you are never alone on this continued learning journey. First, AARP's free digital literacy resources are absolutely fantastic, and they're tailored specifically for older adults. Second, your local library's tech classes are an incredible place to get hands-on, friendly help. And third, community center workshops offer just a wonderful way to learn alongside your peers. These resources are staffed by patient, welcoming people who genuinely love helping others navigate technology. You always have a safety net right in your own community. And this brilliantly illustrates our whole philosophy moving forward. Think of it like a beautiful, gentle, winding path through a garden. You aren't running a sprint on some sterile track. You're taking a pleasant, leisurely stroll through new information and capabilities. The key is to simply keep exploring at your own comfortable pace. I really want to give you this final motivational push. There is absolutely no rush. Generative AI is a technology that is constantly evolving and improving, and so will you, right alongside it, with just that little bit of practice each day. You do not have to keep up with the cutting edge of computer science. You just have to enjoy how the tool can make your specific everyday life a little bit easier and a little bit more fun. Let the technology do all the hard work while you just kick back and enjoy the benefits. I want to conclude our explainer today with this really powerful, empowering thought straight from Chapter 10 of the guide. Every expert was once a beginner. You are braver than you think. Let that sink in for a second. You have shown immense bravery by stepping into the world of generative AI. You should feel incredibly proud, deeply fulfilled, and wonderfully excited to keep exploring the future. So, as we officially close out of this explainer today, I'll leave you with one final thought to ponder. What will your very first daily question to your new AI friend be tomorrow morning?